Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to Unit 3. During Unit 3, we're going to change up our vocabulary a little bit. I will still make a video for you to write down the word in your notebook and write the definition with it. But you'll also get word squares to fill out on paper this time, so you can get some practice getting a little more creative and writing down the sentences and the words and drawing a picture that shows the word. So our first story in Unit 1, our Week 1 story, is When I Went to the Library. And our first word is weekdays. Weekdays are the days of the week except Saturday and Sunday. On Saturday and Sunday, we have pancakes for breakfast, but on weekdays, we have oatmeal. You come to school on weekdays, most weekdays. What are regular weekdays like at your house? Is there some kind of a routine? Think about that. Our next word is slithered. Slithered means slid or glided like a snake. The dog slid under the house to fetch the tennis ball and then slithered back out. What other creatures might slither? Kind of a weird word. The third word is genuine. If something is genuine, it is real or true. A genuine person is sincere and natural. What might some antonyms of genuine be? Our next word is apologize. When you apologize, you tell somebody that you are sorry. Liam was sorry for breaking the vase, so he came to apologize. Think about a time when you had to apologize for something. Next word is harmless. Anything that is harmless cannot do damage or hurt you. Pets should be harmless to protect young children from injury. What would be some synonyms of harmless? And our last word is ambulance. An ambulance is a special vehicle that takes sick or injured people to the hospital. After Andrew was injured, he rode in an ambulance to the hospital. How could you tell if an ambulance was taking somebody to the hospital? What might you notice about it? All right, so once you have these words recorded in your notebook, you can take out your word squares and start filling them in.